A mother duck was flying when she was suddenly attacked. Her egg fell and landed on a hunting dog's boat. The duckling hatched and danced to distract them. The dogs were mesmerized, so the duckling dove into the water. The dogs chased it with their speedboat, causing waves to part. The duckling ran to an island, but it sank into the lake. They carved a bridge into it and escaped into a swamp. The dogs carefully crossed the swamp but hit a dead end. The duckling used growth potion on a sapling to escape. The dogs tried to chop the tree, but the duckling hid in a tree hole. The duckling used a scary mask to stop the dogs from shooting. They tried to find the duckling, but it was 5 o'clock. Ducks swarmed the lake, dancing around the dog's boat.